I'm here in Shibuya. Shibuya in Tokyo, Japan. It's time check. It's 4:30 in the afternoon. Nakakalula lang yung infrastructure dito sa Tokyo. We're staying here near Shibuya Airbnb. Lakad lang tayo dito. Uy! Nako! Arigato. Sabi, nasipad yung pero oh, lakas. Silong muna tayo. Oh, this is Shibuya Sakura Stage or Stage. The subway is there. Yung kalo ko na ito lumipad. Higpitan natin to here. This is yung subway nila. Oh, this is subway. This is Shibuya subway pala. We just walk. Tingnan natin here. Ito yung subway. The best way talaga for directions is to walk. Familiarize yourself around. Dito another highway. So again, this is Shibuya subway. Patong-patong yung infrastructure nila. Grabe. We go here. Yun ata yung famous na kuwan talaga yung crossing. On the other side. What are they building here ba? Oh, another road infrastructure. Itong marker GMO building. So ano to dito? Going down. So let's walk here na side. Oh, this side. Ongoing na infrastructure here. Construction. Sa kabilang side. Nandun yung Airbnb namin. I'm sure hindi na ako mawala dito. Okay, dito tayo. Here. Going there. What is this? Going there. We're just following yung flow. Yung ginagawa nila dito. Matindi naman yung pagka-lift up. Japanese infrastructure talaga. Nandyan yung panilo. Pag-lift up ng structure. Yeah. Ito yung parang you have to rent. Parang F1 ba? Okay. That's nice, no? To try this one. We're checking yung map. Nandito yung crossing na scramble. They call scramble crossing. We're here. So lakad tayo. Oh, si Hachiko nandito pala. Oh. Okay. Pwedeng lakad here. No? So ganun. Sige, let's try. They call pala yon as scramble crossing. They have also rental na ko ano? Galing ah. Rental na umbrella. Let's go here. Paakyat. Ayun sa kabila. Tingnan natin. Area. Squid Game Experience. Third floor. Let us see. Ano to dito? Higher ground. So they call pala yung kuan, yung famous na crossing, scramble crossing. Ayun, makikita mo here. Baba ka, then walk there. Natin yung view. Oh, the high, the taller the view. Squid Game Experience. Next, baba tayo dito. We're into the Squid Game area na experience. Go down sa street level tayo, going sa what they call the Shibuya Scramble. Yung maraming mga taong tumatawid, no? Here. So they stay sa leftmost escalator, you know, to provide yung mga nagmamadali sa right portion. Tingnan natin. Let's go to Shibuya Scramble. I think this side. Shibuya Shogen. Volunteer guide. Punta ba? Ayun! Dito yung famous na scramble. The famous na crossing. Ito, grabing advertisement. Tindi na advertisement. Ito yung pachinko na slot. Ito yung mga sugal-sugal nila. Japanese gambling. What is this area? Okay. You can enter here. Next side. Hmm. Let's cross this area. Hmm. What is this? Takeout. Oh. Doon na yun po. Sa crossing, no? They have a steakhouse dito. Oh, nice ride.
Pero ¿cómo surgió eso del boleto?
What is this? Ah, gaming. What is this? Oh.
Perfect weather.
Ito yung inabutan ko kahapon pala. Royal Post. Okay.
No, no está. ¿Tú sabes todavía dónde está?